for watching. I'm Prerna Agarwal, Technical Product Owner for The Guardian. Today we'll be giving you Guardian update of Sprint 58, which lasted from Feb 5th to Feb 16th. So just a quick overview of the agenda. We'll be looking at the roadmap. We'll also be talking about the issues that we tackled in Sprint 58. Then we'll be flipping over and giving you a short demo on Sprint 58. Then we'll be also looking ahead of week of Feb 19th, which is Sprint 59. We'll also be talking about the issues that we'll be tackling in Sprint 59. We'll be talking about the upcoming releases. We'll also be giving you some of the ways that you can either submit bugs or policy requests through various different channels. So just a quick overview of the Guardian roadmap. We are just continuing our work on some of the CDM policies, which is ACM 0001, ACM 0002, ACM 0006, and other policies as well. We are continuing our work on Fireblocks Metago integration. We'll be mainly focusing on Fireblocks integration for now. Then we are also working on support externally controlled DEDs with verification methods. So we are just continuing our work on these features. So talking about Sprint 58. So in Sprint 58, we committed to 36 story points and we delivered 15 story points, which includes 2885, which is development of AMS2J, demand side activities for efficient lighting technologies, 2880 development of AMS3AV, low greenhouse gas emitting safe drinking water production system, 3147, which is a target V 2.17.1 version with the file-based integration as custom IPFS provider and future-proofing IPFS expansion. No branch exists. Now looking at the Sprint 58 demo. So the first ticket what we'll be looking at is 2885 development of AMS2J, the demand side activities for efficient lighting technologies. So the primary objective of AMS2J is to provide a structured approach for demand side activities for efficient lighting technologies. The objective of AMS2J is to promote energy efficiency in residential lighting by incentivizing the replacement of less energy efficient baseline cams with self-ballasted compact fluorescent lamps, which is CFLs, featuring integrated ballasts. This policy seeks to reduce energy consumption, lower greenhouse gas emissions, and decrease residential electricity cost, ultimately contributing to global climate change mitigation and economic savings. The scope of this policy encompasses residential applications, emphasizing the replacement of baseline lamps with new energy-efficient project lamps, while adhering to specific light output requirements as defined by relevant national or international standards. So in order to solve this, what we have done is we have developed AMS2J policy, which also had tool 7 included in it. So in order to play around or to test AMS2J, we have added our AMS2J policy in our methodology library. Under CDM section, you can see the policy. You can also see the schema design, and we have a detailed README policy, README updated for this AMS2J policy. In addition to that, we have also updated our documentation. So you can visit our documentation at docs.hedera.com/guardian. And when you get there, under demo guide, you can, under the carbon offsets, you can also see AMS2J complete documentation with a step-by-step process of how you can test the policy and make sure that it is working at your end. So the next ticket is 2880, which is development of AMS3AV, which is low greenhouse gas emitting safe drinking water production systems. So the primary objective of AMS3AV is to provide a structured approach for low greenhouse gas emitting safe drinking water production systems. This policy comprises the introduction of low greenhouse gas emitting water purification to provide safe drinking water purification technologies that involve point of use or point of entry treatment systems for residential or institutional applications, such as systems installed at the school or a community center, are included. The examples include but are not limited to water filters, solar energy powered ultraviolet disinfection devices, solar disinfection techniques, photocatalytic disinfection equipment, pasteurization appliances, chemical disinfection methods, combined treatment approaches. The policy is also applicable to water kiosks that treat water using one or more of the following technologies, which are chlorination, combined fluorescent disinfection powders, and solar disinfection. in case the water kiosk is using solar disinfection. Project proponents need to implement measures to prevent recontamination method. So in order to come this, we do have implemented a tool 1, tool 3, tool 5, tool 19, tool 21, and tool 30. So these are the tools included in this policy. So in order to test it, you can visit our github.com/hashgraph/guardian. And when you get there, we have a methodology library. Underneath that, in the CDM section, we have CDM AMS3 AV policy. So in that, we did have at the schema design. You can also look at the Excel file. We digitized the policy and added the dot policy file. We also added a detailed README file, which includes the introduction, what are the objectives, scope, what is the demo. You also have a demo video. We have a workflow, and then we have the detailed step-by-step process of how to execute AMS3 AV. In addition to that, we have also updated our docs, which is docs.hedera.com/guardian. And when you get there under carbon offsets, you can also see AMS3 AV policy being documented. Please let us know if you have any questions. We would be happy to help you. So that was a demo for Sprint 58. Now looking ahead of week of Feb 19th, which is Sprint 59. So we are committing to 31 story points, which include some of the CDM policies, which is 2882, development of AMS 1F, and 2678, support externally controlled DIDs with verification method, keys in Guardian, Fireblocks integration, which is 1314, and 2919, development of AMS 1D, grid connected renewable electricity generation. Talking about the releases, our last release was on Feb 2nd, 2024. Our next release will be on Thursday, Feb 29, 2024. So there are multiple ways to reach out to us. You can reach out to us on GitHub. You can submit policy requests, enhancements, or if you find some bugs, please go ahead and mention those bugs with us so that we can get a team on it. Also, if you haven't joined our Discord, come and join our conversation at hedera.com/Discord. And when you get there, search for sustainability channel, or feel free to reach out to us directly if you have any policy requests by emailing us at info@envisionblockchain.com or through our website, which is www.envisionblockchain.com. Thank you. Have a great day.